Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you some advanced features of the checkout page I've made with Wix Code. As you can see, I have my two items in my shopping cart and the total count of the items is being displayed here. If I wish, I can change the quantity of the items directly from my shopping cart. Note that for both these items 1 and 2, I only have 2 available in my stocks database. So if I try to select something greater than 2, it's going to give me an alert saying that it's not available in the chosen quantity, and also my start checkout process button is going to be disabled. So this makes me stay under the quantity that is available in the stocks database, and subtotal and grand total, which is updated as and when you select the quantity. Let's go ahead and check out really quickly to show you how this page is going to handle failed payments from Stripe's API. Now all the information that you enter over here, shipping address, it's going to be sent over to Stripe so that at a later date you can go on your Stripe dashboard and see from whom the payment came from. Also, there is regex on each and every input field. So if I try to enter an invalid entry on input field which is supposed to contain only numbers, it's going to give me an alert and it's not going to let me proceed. So once I click on pay now, it's running the check through the sizes stock database again to confirm if all the items in my cart are still available or not. So I'll go ahead and check out really quickly with the invalid card number. To show you how the page is going to handle failed payments. Now, as you can see, this is the response the page received from Stripe's API. For example, when you're in your live mode, it's going to give you the error message such as invalid card number or invalid expiry date or invalid CVV. Thank you for watching guys. If you have any questions, I'll leave my email in the descriptions below.